Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the tools and technologies transforming our digital lives. Today, we're shining a light on a gem in the world of music streaming, Black Candy. Black Candering. Now, if you're wondering, what is Black Candy? It's a self-hosted music streamer that gives you full control over your music library, making it your personal music center. So you can imagine the freedom. You're not tied to any platform's limitations, and you get to curate your collection just the way you like it. Picture this: your entire music library at your fingertips, accessible anywhere and even across devices. Sounds appealing, right? But before we jump in, let's take a moment to unpack how anyone can get started with this. Black Candy makes it super easy to try out their features through a demo. If you're interested, you can visit the demo site at demo.blackcandy.org using the demo credentials admin@admin.com for the email and foobar for the password. Just remember, this demo version doesn't have all the bells and whistles. Now, for the tech savvy out there, the installation process is a breeze, as Black Candy is powered by Docker. It's as simple as a single command. You just run docker run-p3000 dos 3000hcr.io/blackcandy-org/blackcandy-latest. Once you do that, you can hop onto your browser and access it via http:/localhost3000. How straightforward is that? All right, but if you're planning to upgrade your Black Candy setup later, be aware that it requires a little attention. Major upgrades can come with breaking changes, and it's crucial to check out the upgrade guide carefully. It's like moving houses, folks. You want to make sure everything fits perfectly in the new space. All right, now let's switch gears a bit. One of the neat features of Black Candy is its flexibility with databases. By default, it's set up with SQLite, which is handy for smaller self-hosted scenarios. But if you're eyeing something more robust, like hosting on Heroku or a larger cloud service, you can seamlessly switch to PostgreSQL. Just tweak a few environment variables, and voila! And for those who might be wondering about file delivery and performance, Black Candy supports using Nginx. This setup allows for efficient media file serving, ensuring a smooth streaming experience, so you can definitely say goodbye to buffering. While we're here, let's touch on something that often gets lost in the shuffle: how to keep your data safe. All your important data is stored in a specific folder, and by mounting it to your host system, you ensure everything persists even if you need to reboot or update your Black Candy instance. It's like a safety net for your music. Now, for the developers listening in, Black Candy is also open to contributions. If you dive into the Edge version, you can test new features and even help improve this project. It's exciting to consider how community contributions can shape tools we love, isn't it? So, wrapping up our conversation today, the key takeaways are that Black Candy is a powerful self-hosted music streaming solution that provides flexibility, control, and ease of use. Whether you're a casual listener or a tech enthusiast, it can adapt to your needs. Before we end today's episode, I have one last question for our listeners. If you could create your ultimate music streaming feature, what would it be? You can shoot us your ideas on social media or in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk. We hope to see you next week for another exploration of the technologies shaping our world. Until then, keep the music playing.